Hi, this is Fern from FML Diversify, coming to give you a quick little tutorial tip on a situation that happened on my PoshMark closet today. Real quick, I had a sale. The sale was for some money. I ain't gonna tell you how much money it was for some money. I had to walk away from the sale. I was selling and they were buying and they bought. I completed the transaction. I began to package the items. It was a very heavy item. And what happened was, as I was packaging, I was up till late at night because it was pieces of a set. And what happened was, there was a broken piece. I mean, after taking time, piece by piece by piece, trying to weigh it out, big weight, big everything. What happened was, when I found that broken piece, I'm in a situation like, oh my goodness. All I could think was, if this person gets this piece, there was already a broken piece in the set, and I had disclosed it all the way already in the description to the post that I put up. Now another piece arises, and I seen it before, but I didn't remember because I had taken the stuff and put it aside, and I had it messed with it for a long time. I said, oh, I'll get back to it, but now I find a piece. Almost done. 4 o'clock in the morning. I got another project first thing in the morning. What do? I'm like, oh, I don't know. Thinking about the money now. I need the money. So what I did is I said, I'm going to bed. I'm going to leave it just like it is. I went to bed, got up, did what I had to do, went through the day. I kept trying to get their support so I could take and file a situation and find out, what to do about the situation. Now it won't go through on my phone. It won't take the support complaint or whatever the situation. It wasn't a complaint, letting them know what happened. I did message the buyer to tell her I found a broken piece. And I'm still like halfway through the beginning of the day. That's all that's on my mind. It's like, what do I do with this sale? I got to get it out. But then what I found out on top of it, those 62 pieces, 50 pounds. Over 50 pounds. It wouldn't even take one box because it was that heavy I couldn't even move the box. Never thought about it when I posted the item. It didn't even hit my mind. I've had situations like this with other stuff, but this piece right here, I hadn't thought about it, 62 pieces. What do? Go through the day and I'm like, man, what do? I kept telling myself, what do? I'm like, Lord, what do? I don't know what to do. I know what to do. I know what I want to do, but I know that if I ship this package out, first of all, I got to break it into 2 boxes. There's another fee because I'm going to have to pay another fee on top of the fee because they gave the buyer the shipping for free. $7.95 or something like that. It's free. Well, guess what? When I get to the post office, it's not going to be free. You're talking about another $80 because of the weight. The weight alone versus, and remember, I don't get paid until the buyer accepts it. And if they go through it and there's a broken piece that was not in the description, you got another problem. Now they're going to file a complaint. The complaint's going to come back at you. It's your store. I've been out here for some years now. What do? You know what I did? I canceled it. I walked away and left hundreds of dollars on the table. Hundreds. Because I said, if I ship this, the buyer didn't get back to me in enough time to say, hey, still send it. Don't worry about it. She did later on. She was like, I still want it. I'm like, no, I canceled this thing. Because what I would have been facing was a shipping of 2 different packages. It has to go to PoshMark's authentication center in California. They have to authenticate it because it's a legitimate product. Then it'll go to her. That's more transit. It's glass. It's glass. What if it breaks between here, my home, the center, and her house? And I have no way to vouch for what's going to happen. I know who I'm paying. Everything I send out to my customers, I package it so they can't get in the package. It's not going to break on my dime. No. I'm going to take my time. I build inside of my boxes. I build additional cushion. I even get old the white stuff you take out of the boxes when you get new packaging and stuff. I keep that. I keep old packaging and stuff that I can use in my packages to make sure that when I send something, it's going to be like a pillow. I don't like getting negative reviews and negative feedback for nothing. I protect myself and I protect my business and my integrity. Yes, I do come short, but from my heart to doing the best that I can, I want that product to hit them and them to go, wow. And then if I get things the same way, I don't go off because things happen. Things happen every day. Life happens. But I walked away. She texted me back and she said, I still want it. I still want it. Oh, it broke, but I still want it. What I did is I reached back out to her and I said, you know what? If you still want it, you're going to have to break the shipment up. You're going to have to pay for it in different segments. It's not going to be $7.95 free because it would have cost me additional $80+ I ship a lot. So on one part is I'm sad it broke. On the other part is I'm grateful. That saved me between $80 and $100 of my money. It doesn't go to the buyer. That shipment, that money I have to put up front because USPS, when you hit there, anything that's over that $7.95, you pay. And if you don't pay up front, you're going to pay and they're going to charge back through PoshMark. And PoshMark's going to charge you back for that additional shipping. Remember, weigh your items. If it's iffy, just think, I don't know. It's kind of close. You could try to dump it off to the postman, but when it go through the USPS facilities, they got those computers and they got those scanners, and they will pick up on your over thing. Go, let your stuff go out legally, so you don't have to be. You could cuss for us. Cussing ain't gonna cover your closet. You cover your closet. I want to just give this quick tip. Remember, weigh before you post. Break it down, sell it in segments, and then you let the buyer pay if they're willing to pay, and then look at what you're going to get out on the other end on your final payout. Remember, check your stuff. Have a great day. FML Diversify. Going to be coming back with some more tutorials on vending, street vending, and some other things that's going to be coming up. Have a great, wonderful day. If anybody's interested in doing home bake businesses or anything like that, let me know in the comments below, and I'll begin to try to lead you and give you information on how to become a home cottage seller and start a little bakery. Things are changing. There's laws and stuff that's being passed. So remember, I'm going to be coming out with my reselling book soon. Look for that to come on KDP and on some other platforms that you can buy that. All right, I want you to have a great day. Be blessed. Goodbye.